Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and I don't know if you saw my last video with the elk loin steaks or not, but our cousin Daryl, he gave us a bunch of elk meat, and he included some elk burger. What we're going to do with this ground elk tonight is, and I've been craving them for a while, I haven't made them for a while. We're going to make a bunch of tacos. There's 30 in this. We'll see how many we make. Hopefully 30. And then we're not doing anything fancy. I always just put salt, pepper, garlic on my burger meat whenever we make hamburger tacos. You can use taco seasoning and all of that. Usually by the time we get our tomatoes, our onion, our lettuce, our sour cream, our salsa, or hot sauce, which I'm using tonight, every year since last year, I've been starting to make my own hot sauce out of the jalapenos that I grow, and it's so super simple. This isn't one that you make and store in the cupboard for a year or so. This is one you make and you use it. It'll last probably 3 to 6 months in the fridge, if it lasts that long. It is so delicious. I'll leave a card at the end. What I need to do is put it on my website. I haven't done it yet. I think I'll do that, so you can go to the website and see the ingredients, see how easy it is to make, and it's so good. It's not super hot. You can make it hot, obviously. Our jalapenos this year weren't quite as hot as they were last year, but man, the flavor is outstanding. We're going to be using this on our tacos, and that's like I said, that's one reason why I don't season the meat too much. Just salt, pepper, garlic, just SPG. All right, so this shouldn't take too long on the video. It's going to take me a while to get all 30. We're obviously not going to show you all of them, and I'll show you the process. You know, I like the hard shell, the crunchy shells. Man, I love it when we go to a restaurant and they offer the crunchy shells and not the Taco Bell shells. No thank you. Anyway, let's get this going. Okay, the first thing we're going to get down is the olive oil. That olive oil bottle is from Tom and Marie Garvey. Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook, and Meg's Mysteries. So we're going to get some oil down there. I got my heat up pretty high. I'm going to get my tray over here, so when I make the tacos, we can keep them warm. First thing I got to do is get it cooked up. Look at that. That looks fairly lean. Okay, just going to get some SPG in there. Get it up nice. Now we're not putting any onions, we're not putting anything in it, just the meat. We put the raw onions in our tacos. I mean, you can spice up your meat the way you want it. I just hardly ever do, especially with ground beef or ground elk for tacos. All right, so yeah, they must not have added very much, or if any. Look at, there is like no fat in here, no fat at all, which is totally fine with me. So now what I'm going to do, if this is all nice and brown, I'm going to move it over to the side. Right. Get some more olive oil down. All right. Get a couple of shells down. It needs to be a little warmer. It'll heat up as we go. Like to get oil on both sides, makes them pliable. When we go to fold them, put our elk meat in there. And that's how we do it. right there. Okay, usually when they curl up on the bottom a little bit, that means they're nice and toasty. And toast the other side. See, like this, that could go up underneath it. Turn it, just like that. That side is there. Okay, there you go. Nice crunchy taco. I'm just going to set them in here. Start lining them up. Okay, so we got our first 4 done. I'm not going to make you watch me make all 30 of them. I'm going to continue frying up my tacos. We'll be back as soon as I'm done, and we'll take a taste test. We'll get one built up with the hot sauce and everything. We'll be back out. Anyway, I'm going to get these ready. We'll see you in a few minutes. And just like that, they're done. Check those out. Okay, yeah. So we're all done. Ended up with 21. Look at that. Let me turn this way. Look at that. 21 elk, fried shelled elk tacos, hard shell. I'm going to get inside while they're hot. Cheese, lettuce, onion, tomato, hot sauce. Be back out for a taste test. All right, you probably know how to fill your own tacos, but I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm just going to add some 4-cheese Mexican blend cheese right on top. Then we're going to go in with the ManKitchenRecipes hot sauce. This stuff is so good. We're going to add some tomatoes out of the garden still, and onions, a little lettuce. I'm going to top this off with a little bit of sour cream. And just like that, fold it back together. Make sure it all stays. Look at that. That is a taco right there. Elk taco. Man, look at that. Okay, here we are. We just tossed together a taco, put that hot sauce in there, and here I am. Got some sour cream and onion and tomato. Look at that. And don't forget that elk burger. I didn't bring a napkin. Crunchy shell's the only way to have tacos. Elk meat, elk burger. And that hot sauce. Oh, so good. All right. Well, I got 19 and a half to go. Yeah, because let the wife have one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.